she said, you just, yeah,
Alexis.
remember, yeah, one of the sessions,
Yeah, marketing
one of the,
session.
yeah,
Hmm.
we had, yeah. So how to market your business and always be ready. You stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. And how
What?
to, I
What?
order my,
Say that one again. Say that one again. What? What?
yeah, we stay ready. We don't have to get ready. I ordered some business cards and I'm waiting on them to come back. And I wish I had taken a little bit more time with that. And see, that's the thing, patience. When you rush, you always have something like, man, a hindsight thought, like, I wish I would have waited because I didn't put services on the back of the card. I just put Karen K. Denise Mobile Notary. And I'm like, but I only ordered 50 of them. Hmm.
Yeah, like I was telling Kay Denise, I wanted her just to get started with something because I can actually maybe now send her on a few jobs, and she has no way to introduce herself. Most people still want an old fashioned business card, so that's why I told her
Mhm.
at least just get a small stack. And everybody out there, your cards are going to continue to change. Your business cards are going to continue to change. What you have on there today, you will not have on there next week. It because
Mhm.
you keep growing services, your services will grow. I'm watching Jeff put vinegar in some chicken. So I'm like, I wanted to hit mute, but I was right in the middle of my thought.
Mhm.
I'm sure he's following the recipe.
Maybe, maybe not.
I know I'm in trouble. I just saw that look.
Mhm.
So anyway, yeah, your business cards are going to constantly change. So, oh, what about that really quick while we're talking about business cards? What did
Mhm.
the client tell us when we were at the doctor's appointment with the notary appointment with the doctor? What did he tell us about the business cards? Some
This
tips.
client, he compared and critiqued everything. He looked at Kimmy and Kimmy and Jeff's business card and compared it to a competitor. And then he looked at the size of the face on Kimmy and her husband's um, business card and that of the other notary. I won't say competitive or fellow
Yeah, we're
notary.
competitors. You can say competitors.
Yeah,
We're not
fellow notary.
fighting. We're competitors, though.
Yeah. So the fellow notary's face was much bigger, pretty smile, attention to detail. You could see the whole outline of the notary's face. And he said, I like that about that card. But I went with you, Kimmy, because you had a website. He said you also have a nice picture. I mean, he went apple to orange. I mean, he really critiqued the business. He noticed that one had a website, the other didn't. The other and the list of services, some had services that the other one didn't. I mean, and then he said he even went so far and went to Google to look up both. He said it was both were, I guess, like A1.
I think the
So
reason he did so much comparison to guys is because they put my card and the other person's card on the same piece of paper and photocopied it. So he had a chance to look up and down, like, okay, she got this, she don't. She got this, she don't. And then again, he's trying to get representative payee for someone, power of attorney and stuff. So he wanted to make sure that document is completed correctly. And he was actually traveling from New York. So it was a lot of stuff going on with this particular one. So he needed to make sure it's right. Okay. So we do have a question. So to Kate Denise's point though, your business card again, when I do my next set of business cards, and I told him I got like 2,000 of business cards, almost four. I didn't pass out a lot now. I just looked the other day. But on my next batch of business cards, I am going to make Jeffrey's picture and my picture even larger because he
yeah,
loved that.
he
So
did.
he loved the fact that the other notary's picture was bigger. So on mine, you can see us clearly, but on my next batch, it's gonna be huge. And
Yeah, I guess he
I
wants
have
you
to,
like he
yeah,
want
he
a
gonna be
face
like,
like he don't want to have to squint
he
his
want to see
eyes. He
every
wants your picture to
detail.
light up the
Yeah.
card. Hmm.
So we'll do that for next time. So we do have a question. I do have a question. Ms. Diamond says, do you need to have a different certification to be a mobile notary? Can you answer that, Kate Denise?
I can. And is that Diamond? Diamond, no, you do not. You can use your cert. You use your original commission. It's nothing. You just that's a service that you're offering under your notary commission.
Come on, teacher, coming through. Come on, come on.
Mhm.
So to add to that, Miss Diamond, what I do in my state, though, I want to always check your state to see what other licenses they require, because I do allow people to come to my home. I do have a little certificate from the county that I live in, and they so they know that I'm doing business out of my home in case one of my neighbors decide to call and say, "Hey, she running a business over there." So I do have a little certificate that I pay for that. And then as far as being mobile, though, like Kay Denise already said, it's just a service that you're offering. There's nothing special required. Mm-mm. Other than knowledge, knowing what to do when you get out there. But no, you don't have to have anything.
Mm-mm.
Very good. Very good. Any other questions we have? Any other questions? Anything else you'd like to share? You had 3 jobs. What was your other one? I know you served as a witness. You want to talk a little bit about serving
Oh,
as a witness?
yes. When you serve as a witness, you are expected to. We
Why
went
are
to
you
the one.
laughing?
We
Oh,
went
because
to the one. We went to the one client house, and again, the integrity of the document, and it's a legal document. So when they said they wanted my name, my phone number, and my address, I'm thinking to myself, I have not. I'm just saying yes, that they're both in their right mind. Yes, I'm witnessing them signing this document. So why do you need to come looking for me, and what you need all my information for? And then the client kind of looked like, "Is there a problem?" I said, "Oh, no, no, no. I said this is just my first time, seeing that you want all my information as a witness to the, fact. But these are legal documents, and should it show up in court, you got to always remember this document can wind up before." And I guess I'm into the legal thing because of the hospital, the HIPAA, my nursing notes. I'm not a nurse, but I still make notes about the visit and what happened to cover me, to make so if anything is ever pulled, you never know when something could be questioned. So you just want to make sure you do everything within your power and be like, "Listen, hey, I ain't do nothing wrong. I'm only human. I'm not no psychic. I did everything according to Georgia state law." So,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's why you also I need to get my what you call that? That insurance that you said that we need to get.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now, and like you said, I'm not getting that with the intention of purposely having any errors or
Actually, I
mistakes.
thought you had bought your insurance. I want you to get
Mm-mm.
that tomorrow,
I
tonight.
didn't. Yeah, I could
When
do that
you
when
hang
we
up
hang
the
up.
phone, you out there buying other stuff. Transparent moment, guys. Transparent alert, alert, alert.
Yeah, because I can't get the kind of work I
Somebody
want.
not following the program.
Yeah, I don't. I'm being totally honest. I didn't do that yet, and that's on the list. I'm gonna do that when I hang up because that's easy enough to do. I know how to do it and how to purchase it.
Yes, it's $30. So
So
let's
we
come
will
on.
we will be doing that the minute this is over.
Let's
So,
go. Let's go.
but yeah, that was.
Go ahead. Mhm.
No, I'm sorry. I was just gonna say I thought that was rather interesting as a witness. Be prepared to give out the necessary information about yourself, you know, to legalize the document. Because I was like, and most of the time they know all about it anyway, so it ain't really so they got
That's
your
what I
name, they know
always say too. They know who you are. I will add this, if you don't mind sharing, and I would not normally do this, but you've made enough money back to cover your initial investment.
Oh, yes, I have.
Yeah.
Yes, I have. Yeah, so I'm doing other things. She's right. Yeah. Yeah, I've
See.
had enough money. I've actually, for all of what I bought, I've gotten that money back now.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's right.
Almost twofold. I'm about to say almost two.
Yeah, so I've been pretty good because when I looked at my account, I said, "Oh, it's still money there." You said I'm in the negative. Well, a week before
Oh
before before payday. Now I'm not rich, but I could buy gas. I ain't got to worry about nothing bouncing. And I mean, I got some jobs to pay it back. And then too, that's what I also like about the notary in the community. If somebody can't do something or not available, they put it in the chat. Hey, did y'all want to make money? If somebody big, you know, do somebody want to do a job I can't go to? Somebody want to be a witness? I like that networking within the community.
Mm-hmm.
Keeping the money within the fold, which is great.
Yes. Do we have any more questions? Any more questions? We'll hang out a few more minutes because we want to make sure we answer. And we see a lot of people have just joined us. So I want to make sure we're answering everyone's question. And since Kate Denise hopped on a few minutes later,
Oh,
we got
almost
her
30
for a
minutes.
few more minutes. Well, that's okay. We ain't got to stay a whole 30, but I was here. But I want to, stay a few more minutes since she hopped on. Do we have any other questions regarding the mentorship program? Again, there's a $27 entry point now, $47. A lot of people are starting off with the 27. That's why it's called the startup plan. And then you can always upgrade to the 47, which includes the chat that Kay Denise is talking about. The chat, we're 7 days a week, start as early as 9 o'clock. And then we start as early as 9 o'clock, and then we run it to almost 11 in the morning, because 11 at night rather, because we got a lot of people on the West Coast. We got people in Nevada, California. So I let the chat run. When I say I let it run, I mean I'm answering if you have a job. Jeff, I think this is your client calling. Excuse us 1 second. Listen to this, guys. Listen. Hi, Mr. Edwin. How are you?